shit, that's WWG53.
Definitely go!
Weather Bulletin. For the following county, Crawford, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Erie County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cambridge Springs, or 12 miles northeast of Meadville, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Meadville, Corry, Edinburgh, Union City, Cambridge Springs, Waterford, Wattsburg, Riceville, Lincolnville, Canandaigua Lake, Sagertown, Mill Village, Blooming Valley, Spartansburg, Venango, Elgin, and Woodcock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Weather